welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to clear your history and cache in Microsoft Edge. To start off with, first you need to open up Edge, and once you have, you need to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. You now need to click onto History, and you now need to click on Clear History. We now have a few options. You can clear your browsing history, your cookies, your cache data and files, tabs, download history, autofill passwords and media licenses, and website permissions. Be careful when clearing passwords and autofill data, because if you don't know the email address that you use to access a website or the password, then you may have troubles getting back onto the website. You can now go ahead and select what you want to clear, and once you are happy with your selection, you can go ahead and press clear. Once it has finished clearing, you can now close down Edge and open it back up again, and that is it. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.